In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace on PC. To get started, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look for the Marketplace icon in the menu and click it. This will take you into the buying and selling section of Facebook. From there, select Create New Listing to begin setting up your post. Next, you'll need to choose the type of listing you want to create. Facebook Marketplace gives you a few different options, including item for sale, vehicle for sale, and home for sale, or rent. For most everyday products, the correct choice will be item for sale. Choosing the right listing type helps your post appear in the proper category and makes it easier for buyers to find. After that, it's time to upload photos of your item. This part is very important because your photos are usually the first thing buyers notice. Use clear, high-quality images and try to take them in good lighting with a clean background. It also helps to upload multiple photos that show different angles, close-up details, and the overall condition of the item. Better photos can make your listing look more trustworthy and appealing. Now fill in the product information. You'll need to enter the product title, price, category, condition, description, and availability. Try to be as accurate and descriptive as possible. A clear title and detailed description help buyers understand exactly what you're offering, which can save time and reduce unnecessary questions later. Once your item details are added, set your location. Enter your city or general area, then choose the distance buyers can search from your location. If shipping is available and makes sense for the item you're selling, you can enable that as well. This gives you more flexibility in how you reach buyers. Before posting, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double check your photos, pricing, and all of the listing details to make sure they are correct. When everything looks good, click Publish. After approval, your item will appear on Facebook Marketplace. Once your listing is live, be ready to communicate with buyers. Respond to messages promptly, answer questions clearly, and provide extra photos or information if someone asks. Quick and helpful responses can improve your chances of making a sale. Finally, arrange payment and delivery based on your setup.